When you receive your CATS Tonometer Prism, you will notice some distinct differences compared to the standard Goldman. CATS stands for Correcting Applanation Tonometry Surface. When you open the box and examine the prism, you notice that it looks different. But mainly, you'll notice that the biggest difference is it no longer has a flat applanating surface. It has a slight dimple in the center. This is what allows the accuracy of the CATS Tonometer Prism in measuring pressure. For maximum visualization of your CATS tonometer Myers, set the slit lamp illumination to 45 degrees from the tonometer tip. For easy transition to the CATS tonometer Myers centering feature, initially set the tonometer dial to 5 millimeters of mercury and place the tonometer prism on the apex of the cornea. The Myers will initially appear skewed if the prism is not centered. Simply adjust the joystick of the slit lamp until the Myers appear normal and round, and adjust the slit lamp tonometer until the intermeniscus is in normal measurement position. This is your IOP endpoint.